Basetech Global Limited, one of the leading power backup solution providers in the domain of telecommunication sector, is operating globally across different countries of the world. Basetech Global Limited has introduced LiGRT Lithium Ion Battery in its product line as one of their key power backup solution products to power the telecom operators around the globe. The LiGRT brand is committed to R&D, manufacture, sales and service of lithium-ion batteries for telecommunication, solar and other applications where lithium-ion batteries play a vital role as power backup solution. Our factory, located in Zhejiang, China, has a production capacity of 500 million watt-hours and its main products are lithium iron phosphate batteries, ternary batteries and energy solutions for the power and energy storage fields. With the help of advanced automated assembly lines, robots and advanced industrial internet platforms, high-quality, reliable and excellent battery products are produced for our customers.
Our LiGRT battery factory has a production capacity of 500 million watt-hour and its main products are lithium iron phosphate batteries, ternary batteries and energy solutions for the power and energy storage fields. The factory has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHAS 18000, CE, UL, TIRE, IEC, ROHS and other certifications and has profound technical background and is recognized as a national high-tech enterprise with a provincial level high-tech enterprise R&D center. Up to now, it has 64 patents for inventions and utility models. In addition to self-use, the patented technology is also exported to Europe, Central Asia and other countries. The factory always adheres to the business philosophy of continuously creating value for customers and consistently provides customers with first-class products and solutions.
Let us now take you through the journey of manufacturing LiGRT Lithium Ion Battery. The process starts with the mixing of core ingredients such as lithium, iron, phosphate, etc. After mixing, the ingredients are coated on the copper plate for making the anode and are coated on aluminium plate for cathode, and anodes and cathodes are then dried for future use. This is how the anodes and cathodes are separated. Then, the electrolytes are injected in the cells, which is the most important part of the process. Electrolytes play a key role in transporting the positive ions between anode and cathode with necessary protection. And then the cells are sealed. The cells are charged and discharged to confirm the expected voltage of the cells. Finally, the cell's body are coated for insulation. After completing the cell manufacturing, it's time to assemble a complete LiGRT lithium-ion battery. In the assembly line, the cells are accumulated inside the battery container with necessary connectors and BMS cards installed with all other required accessories. Finally, the batteries are tested in the lab for assuring the performance and quality, following international standards such as IEC, CE and ROHS before being packed and shipped to customers.